Hello friends and welcome back to Mystical Ventures, and today's the vlog is all about me and my mandali, that is our Paltan, traveling from Madgaon Goa to Dadar Mumbai. So today's vlog I'm going to show you all the excitement that we had while traveling in the train, and so let me start with the vlog. So as all the vloggers and YouTubers do, they wake up and then they shoot all their, how they get ready and how they are out of the house. So the same way when I try doing something, and then this is me sitting in the car, and this is Vienna who was shooting it, and then we headed towards the Madgaon railway station. Getting off the car with like a celebrity entry kind of. And finally we all Yaro ki Paltan assembled at the railway station, and Kiran Didi cannot be seen because she was behind the camera. And here this is Reshma as usual, Sharmili bhai jaise banke, she keeps on hiding from the cam. Our train arrived dot on time.
Dakay mo gusto gondola to. No, bakit daw?
Chai. And then here I started capturing some beautiful, lovely, scenic view of our lovely Goa. And now this is the Seralim Church. And now here Kiran Didi was showing me some message someone had forwarded it to her. So I was just checking and I was just giggling, smiling, looking at it. यहाँ रेशमा हमारा दिमाग चाट के बोलने लगी कि चलो लूडो खेलते हैं. सो लूडो भी खेल लिया. साले
हम दोनों ने ही चाय किया. क्या आउट है सोई ले आउट.
जीएसटी मार के चाय दिया मेरे को, देख कितना आ गया. क्या बोला तूने? जीएसटी मार के चाय दिया मेरे को, देख कितना आ गया.
पानी पड़ता है वो.
फ्रूट्स देखूं और मैं खरीद ना लूं. I had to purchase this thing because I just love fruits. Then as the train was moving by, we were feeling bored sitting in one place. So then we went loitering around in the train because I feel that is our birthright. लो गई भैंस पानी में. हम दोनों भाई बहन मिलते हैं ना, तो ऐसे सब लेड़े चाले होते ही होते हैं. फिर येड़े चाले करने के बाद then we came at our seats and then we started having our dinner, and we all took our home cooked meal because that is what we prefer eating while traveling. And here Vienna had made biryani, so she wrote a personalized message for Hari and for me because we were non-veg eaters, so we were eating chicken biryani. So she wrote those a small jingle or a small funny word what we say every now and then. So that was very cute gesture of hers. And since I'm a chicken lover, so leg piece, wings, then the neck piece, I just love that, and luckily I got the leg piece. So lollipop. This monkey is jumping, I don't know. Kiran Didi never knew that he gets so sick, so that is a big vehicle for her. That happened in her life.
I'm showing this paper soap. Okay, use this paper soap. It's good for you.
all planning to go to sleep, but me being me, I can never sleep when I'm traveling. So I was awake the entire journey till morning, and then when it was the time to alight from the train, that is the time I was sleeping, and all were like awake and they wanted to get down.
Keep it down now.
On a serious note, when I see these beverages which you get in the train, I mean, in my weirdest dreams also, I've never heard these names here. I mean, what brands and from where they are, I have no idea. And here, this is at Panvel station, and me being a chai lover, any time of the day or night I can have chai, but I love coffee equally. So then I started having my chai. Even in my Wellington vlog also, you will have seen I was having a cup full of tea because I taken my mug while going. Yeah, I had my mug, but I thought of sipping over the cup only. And all were sleeping, all my Pulton members were sleeping, and I'm the only one, as I said, who will be awake the entire journey. So, giving a small brief about my journey or about the trip that me and my Pulton went, it is like, I one day just told, when we were like on a Sunday outing we went, I just told them that, I'm planning to go to Mumbai because as you all people know that my mom is from Mumbai. So I thought I'll just go to Mount Mary's and, I'll just go and try to do some shopping for me and that kind of thing. So I told my Pulton, and overnight I don't know what came in their mind, and then they all like next day they called me and they're telling me, chalo, I'm also coming. And I had told Kiran Didi that I want you to accompany me to Mumbai. She said, yeah bro, chalenge, because we had some other work also meant to be completed. And then I don't know, we executed the plan so much that we finally all landed in Mumbai. And I guess this is the blessings and this is the love when you have your best friends. So now here finally the train came to a halt because we reached our destination. Yes, we arrived at the other station and it was raining very badly that day. So with this I'll end my vlog, and very soon I'll be back with episode 2 of how we spent our time in Mumbai. So till then, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.